Hi, I'm glad to see you here. I'll teach you how to avoid demonetization on your YouTube channel. My channel has been alerted that it is ineligible for monetization. What was the cause of the problem? Clips for short films have previously been uploaded. These short clips were reused content. Here are some tips to avoid demonetization. 1 is a hilarious or smart modification of stuff that you did not produce. 2. Clips of other people's content for critical examination. 3rd. A scene from a movie where you rewrote the dialogue and changed the voiceover. 4th. Show replays of a sports tournament and explain how a competitor succeeded or failed. 5th. Create reaction videos in which you comment on the original video. Finally, edit material from other creators and include a storyline or commentary. Here are some examples of content that cannot be commercialized. 1 is a compilation of short videos from various social networking networks. 2. Collections of music by various artists, even if you have their permission. 3rd. Bits from your favorite show, or put together with little or no story. 4th. Content has been uploaded multiple times by other creators. Finally, promote other people's stuff, even if you have their permission. Don't be discouraged. Getting your YouTube channel demonetized is a setback, not a failure. You've already identified the root cause, raising content, and that's a big step. You've also thoughtfully outlined both acceptable and unacceptable uses of existing material. These show you're learning and adapting. Now, focus on applying your newfound knowledge. Create fresh, original content using the methods you've described, and you'll be back on track to monetization in no time. Keep creating, keep learning, and keep your chin up. You've got this.